Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into the latest in smartphone tech, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more detailed comparisons. Today, we're diving into the ultimate face-off. iPhone 16 versus Google Pixel 9. These aren't just yearly upgrades, they represent two different visions. Apple offers sleek design and tight hardware control, while Google pushes smart software and AI innovation. Both claim to be the best, but only one leads the way. Is Apple still on top, or has Google taken the crown? Let's find out which one truly fits your life. Number 1. Design and display. The iPhone 16 looks clean, sharp, and very Apple. It has a flat design with smooth edges, and the materials feel premium in your hand. Apple made small changes this year, like thinner bezels and a slightly brighter screen. It's still familiar but more polished. Now, the Google Pixel 9 takes a different path. It has a bold design with a new camera bar and a colorful look. It feels a bit lighter, and the screen is just as smooth with a high refresh rate. Both phones have OLED displays, which means deep blacks and rich colors. But Apple's screen is brighter in sunlight, while the Pixel's screen is easier on the eyes indoors. Choosing between them comes down to taste. Do you like classic and polished, or fun and bold? Either way, both phones feel like you're holding a piece of the future in your hand. Number 2. Camera battle. The iPhone 16 continues Apple's tradition of great cameras. Photos are clear, colors are natural, and low-light shots are even better now. Apple added more tools to record high-quality videos too, like advanced stabilization and cinematic effects. But Google is not staying quiet. The Pixel 9 uses powerful AI to make photos look stunning with less effort. It fixes blurry faces, brightens shadows, and even removes unwanted objects. The best part? You don't need to be a camera expert to use it. Google's camera app is smart, simple, and fast. It understands what you're trying to capture and helps you get the perfect shot. While Apple focuses on real-world accuracy, Google focuses on smart edits and creative tools. So if you love taking pictures and sharing them on social media, the Pixel might be your best friend. But for natural, true-to-life photos and pro-level video, the iPhone still shines. Number 3. Performance and speed. The iPhone 16 comes with Apple's newest chip, the A18. It's fast, really fast. Apps open quickly, games run smoothly, and there's almost no lag. Whether you're editing videos or just browsing the web, the phone never seems to slow down. But speed is not everything. The Google Pixel 9 runs on the latest Tensor chip, made by Google to focus more on smart features than raw power. It's built to handle AI tasks, like live language translation, voice typing, and smart photo editing. It may not beat Apple in benchmarks, but in real-life use, it's clever and smooth. Think of it like this. The iPhone is a race car, super fast and powerful. The Pixel is a smart assistant. It learns your habits and works in the background. So if you care about pure performance, go with the iPhone. But if you want your phone to do the thinking for you, Pixel is a smart pick. Number 4. Software experience. The iPhone 16 runs iOS 18, Apple's smoothest system yet. It's simple, fast, and very organized. Everything feels easy to find, and updates arrive quickly. Apple also keeps your phone safe with strong privacy controls, but it can feel a bit limited if you like customizing your phone. The Pixel 9 runs Android 15, and it's a different experience. It gives you more freedom. You can change the look of your home screen, try new apps, and use smart features powered by AI. For example, it can summarize voice calls, clean up your photos, and even help you write emails. The Pixel feels more like a personal assistant than just a phone. If you like things simple and polished, the iPhone wins. If you enjoy having more control and trying new tools, Pixel is exciting. Both systems are great. It just depends on how you like to use your phone every day. Number 5. Battery life and pricing. Battery life matters a lot. No one wants to charge their phone in the middle of the day. The iPhone 16 has a slightly bigger battery and new power-saving features. It easily lasts a full day with regular use. Charging is also faster now, especially with MagSafe. The Pixel 9 also performs well. It uses smart software to save power when you don't need it. Google's Extreme Battery Saver mode can stretch the battery for hours. It supports wireless and fast charging too. But here's where things get interesting: price. The The iPhone is still more expensive, especially if you go for the Pro model. The Pixel usually costs less and still gives you many of the same features, so if budget is a big factor, Pixel gives you more for less. But if you want the full Apple experience and are ready to pay more, the iPhone delivers it all: style, speed, and status. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay ahead with the pulse of tech.